If you're into off-roading, overlanding, or just about any outdoor adventure, you know hauling extra fuel and water can be a huge hassle. But with the Rotopax tank holder from SeaSucker, you can go just about anywhere. The SeaSucker Rotopax tank holder is designed to make transporting your fuel and water tanks easier than ever. The Rotopax is powered by not one, but two 6-inch SeaSucker mounts, making it a breeze to attach your existing Rotopax tank. And the best part, you can put your tanks on when you need them and remove them in seconds when you don't. Whether you're hitting the trails or setting out on an epic overlanding adventure, SeaSucker's vacuum mounts are on for the long haul with over 200 pounds of pull strength each. And when I say sturdy, I mean it. This thing isn't going anywhere, and you can stick it to any flat, non-porous surface. So that means you can mount it to the back glass of your SUV or the side glass of your truck or van. When on the trail, you may have different size tanks. Well, no worries. The SeaSucker Rotopax tank holder is designed to hold any Rotopax tank up to 3 gallons, and that carries most of your fuel and water carrying needs. So whether you're planning your next overlanding adventure or just need a reliable way to carry your Rotopax tank, this universal mount is a perfect addition. Easy to put on and take off, and strong enough to handle the roughest trails. If you want to know more about the Rotopax tank holder from SeaSucker, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.